It's 1:30.
Y'all, we did it. We shut her down.
Severe weather of a heavy mix of snow and sleet on Friday hit much of the south unaccustomed to winter weather. The bad weather resulted in flight cancellations, school closures and official warnings to stay off the roads if possible. The National Weather Service said a winter storm warning stretched from eastern Oklahoma to Virginia. A mix of snow and sleet fell in cities including Jackson, Mississippi, Birmingham, Alabama, and Atlanta on Friday morning. Several videos circulating on social media can be seen showing the seconds when extreme weather hit a number of areas since last Friday.
Y'all, we did it. We shut her down.
It's 1:30.
Yo, it is coming down out here. Look at this. These cows are cold.
Man, welcome to Alabama. This is crazy.
Shit, I didn't think it was going to, but god damn it, it did. I gotta go check on my chickens though.
Parts of western Arkansas were covered in more than a foot of snow, with heavy snowfall Friday morning building on snow accumulation the previous day. It is reported that from Friday through Saturday, parts of the Mid-Atlantic, Ohio Valley and Northeast could see between 1 and 5 inches of snow. A widespread mix of wintry precipitation led to the cancellation of more than 2,000 flights in and out of airports in Atlanta, Dallas, Nashville and Charlotte, North Carolina, on Friday.
Too much. Y'all enjoy your snow day. Go outside and play.
It's 1:30.
Shit, I didn't think it was going to, but god damn it, it did. I gotta go check on my chickens.
Wow. And even in there, look at the beauty of God. Well, welcome to Hoover.